It starts the same for millions. Burning in the chest, bloating after meals, that nagging lump in the throat. You try antacids, omeprazole, Nexium, but the relief is temporary, and the side effects, not worth it. Now, imagine a solution. With no drugs, no surgery, and no side effects. A solution backed by real results, with an 85% success rate in reducing acid reflux and GERD symptoms. Introducing the Reflux Shield, the only non-surgical, drug-free self-help device designed to correct hiatal hernia and relieve acid reflux, GERD, bloating, and even heart palpitations. Clinically tested, scientifically reviewed, trusted by thousands. You don't need more pills. You need a permanent shift. Learn more and see the research at refluxshield.com. Reflux Shield. Take your life back. Naturally.